What's up everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in to one of my videos. I'm so thrilled to finally be ready to share with you guys a project that I've been working on. As you can tell from the title of this video, this is going to be my living room makeover. The main area in my home that I wanted to do some changes on for a while has been my living room. I already had started changing things out in there, like painting the wall. It used to be red and now it's a very light gray. I wanted to go with very neutral tones. I decided to go with different shades of grays, black, and white. My all-time favorite place to shop for anything to do with home improvements, I always go to WAYFAIR. I got most of my home decor from there. It is the best place to shop online for furniture or anything home related. One of the biggest things that I've always wanted to change in my living room has been my couch. We've had it for a very long time and it was about time to let it go, replace it with something new. So I have been looking for a sectional for over a year. I just couldn't find the perfect one. WAYFAIR reached out to me, wanted to send me something from their site. I was sincerely mind blown and I didn't even think they would ship something as big as a sectional. I looked on their site and lo and behold, I found the most perfect sectional. I knew right away this is the one I want. It is the perfect color, it is the perfect size, it is just the perfect look. And I thought it would fit perfectly in my living room and give me so much more space, just as I wanted to do. I sent them the link of the sectional that I wanted, and within a couple weeks, oh my gosh, my packages have arrived. The sectional is here. I'm so excited I could cry. I've been a customer with them for many years, and to get this opportunity to work with them in a video is freaking amazing. The shelves on my wall are also from WAYFAIR. You're gonna see what I mean in just a second. But this is what my living room looked like before. Okay, so this is what my living room looks like now. It always feels so good when I change things up and things look new and different. The sectional fits perfectly in my home. It's so comfortable. It is real leather. It looks amazing and everything looks much brighter and fresh, and I'm just so happy with the way it turned out. I will absolutely leave the link to the couch in my description box below, along with the other home decor stuff that I got from WAYFAIR. The couch comes in a couple other different colors. I'm not sure if the one that I have is still in stock, but you can check them out. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of my home. If you guys want to see any other home related videos, leave those suggestions below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and click that notification bell so that way you are notified every time I upload. I appreciate you guys so much for taking some time out of your day to sit down and watch one of my videos. I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!